Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tabletop gaming with a detailed review of the SIQUK 7 PCS metal polyhedral dice set, complete with a sleek metal case. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the SIQUK metal polyhedral dice set? This set includes 7 beautifully crafted metal dice, a D4, D6, D8, D10 numbered 0 to 9, a D10 marked in 10s from 00-90 for percentage rolls, a D12, and a D20. Each die is made from high-grade zinc alloy, ensuring durability and a long service life. Finished with a shiny black paint and dark green numbers, these dice not only look impressive but also feel great in your hand. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this set. First off, the quality is remarkable. The metal construction means they are waterproof and oxidation-proof, making them resilient against wear and tear. Weighing in at approximately 123 grams or 4.34 ounces per set, these dice provide a satisfying sense of gravity that enhances your gaming experience. The numbers are printed as large as possible on each face, and the clear markings for the numbers 6 and 9 make reading them effortless, even in the heat of battle. This dice set is perfect for anyone who enjoys role-playing games. Whether you're a seasoned veteran of Dungeons & Dragons, or you prefer games like Shadowrun, Pathfinder, or Warhammer, these dice will elevate your gaming sessions. They are not just functional, they are also a great conversation starter and an excellent accessory for your gaming group. In practical terms, these dice can be used in various scenarios. Picture this: you're sitting around with friends, ready to embark on a thrilling adventure in your favorite RPG. You pull out the SIQUK dice from the stylish silver metal case, and everyone immediately admires the aesthetic appeal. As you roll the dice, the satisfying clatter draws attention, and the weight provides a tactile satisfaction that plastic dice simply can't match. They're also excellent for a variety of card games, adding a touch of elegance and seriousness to your game nights. For collectors, this set is a must-have. The unique metal texture and design make it a standout addition to any collection. Plus, the included case not only keeps the dice safe and organized but also makes them easy to transport to your next gaming session. In conclusion, the SIQUK 7 PCS metal polyhedral dice set is a fantastic investment for any tabletop gamer. With their high-quality construction, eye-catching design, and practical use for a variety of games, they're sure to enhance your gaming experience and impress